Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll tackle a common problem that many Windows users face when trying to share a folder on their PC to devices on their home network. In this particular case, our user is running Windows 11 and has gone through the process of setting up the shared folder, enabling network discovery, and ensuring the necessary services are running. However, they've encountered difficulties in accessing the shared folder from other devices on the network, including Linux systems. Let's dive into the details of the problem and explore the solution together. In addressing the problem, the key solution lies in understanding the protocols involved in file sharing. The SMB protocol used for sharing files on Windows does not emit HTML, so trying to access a shared folder through a web browser won't work. Instead, users should utilize Windows Explorer and enter the path in the form of a UNC path, like //server/share single quote. This approach allows for seamless access to shared folders on the network. Additionally, for Linux systems attempting to access a Windows SMB share, using the CIFS mount type with a UNC path is necessary for successful connection. Solution aside, it's important to streamline the network setup for improved security. By removing SMB v1 components and services for NFS, the system becomes more secure without compromising functionality. This adjustment ensures a safer environment for file sharing without hindering the ability to access shared folders across different systems. Embracing these recommendations can enhance the overall sharing experience while maintaining a robust security posture. To wrap up, we've delved into the intricacies of sharing folders on a Windows 11 PC within a home network. By understanding the nuances of SMB protocols, tweaking network settings for improved security, and leveraging UNC paths for access, users can establish seamless file sharing capabilities across their devices. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in resolving similar issues you may encounter. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Stay tuned for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides.